Okay, we have a message from promoter Biggie SSP, which is South Sudanese. We gotta say something about this post right here. Okay, the promoter say that a report has it that this footballer by the name of Jima Majith has been arrested in United States by people unknown and nobody know his whereabouts. This is the message. And again, Jima Majith is a sport person or footballer to be specific, who however went to United States as an entrepreneur. With the current flow of United States, goods are either transported via the Nile, air, which is expensive, and road, which has worsened it later due to the rainy season, respectively. Jima Majith identify as business opportunity, and when they are taking is good to sell. Majith was then invited for a tournament that just kick-started upon his arrival. We seek for his immediately, so he went there to do business. So now this is the information. Everybody who is in United States, please, we need your support to find out what actually happened to our brother, Mr. Jima. So we need to know his whereabouts, and that is what the information is all about here. So you can contact promoter Biggie SSP. I will put the link down below so that you guys can get his full information on Facebook page. So I think all of us need all of us to to support this. Because a young man like that disappearing, I think this is not cool. What happened there is what concerns us all, so we have to know what is actually happening there. So that is why the message has been forwarded on social media by promoter Biggie. So it concerns me and it concerns you. So we have to make sure that this message reach out there. So please, if you are new to my channel, smash the subscribe button. I will be bringing you all the latest information about what is happening within the society. And thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, comment, like, share if you find this video useful. So this is very sad news. We need to know whereabouts of our brother right here. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.